The Arctic Circle is one of the 5 major circles of latitude on the Earth's surface, located at approximately 66.5 degrees north of the equator. This circle marks the southernmost boundary of the Arctic region and defines the area within which, for at least one day a year, the sun does not completely set during the summer solstice and does not rise during the winter solstice. The opposite occurs within the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Key features and importance of the Arctic Circle include: Arctic climate. The Arctic Circle is associated with the Arctic climate, characterized by cold temperatures, ice and snow cover, and unique ecosystems adapted to extreme conditions. The region includes the Arctic Ocean, parts of Scandinavia, Russia, Canada, Alaska, Greenland, and the Arctic archipelago. Midnight sun and polar night. The Arctic Circle experiences the phenomena of the midnight sun and polar night. During the summer solstice, around June 21st, locations within the Arctic Circle can have 24 hours of daylight, known as the midnight sun. Conversely, during the winter solstice, around December 21st, these areas may experience 24 hours of darkness, known as the polar night. Unique biodiversity. The Arctic region is home to unique flora and fauna adapted to cold climates. Species such as polar bears, Arctic foxes, reindeer, and various migratory bird species inhabit the Arctic Circle. The region's ecosystems are finely tuned to the seasonal changes in light and temperature. Importance for indigenous peoples. The Arctic Circle is home to several indigenous peoples, including the Inuit, Sami, Nenets, and others. These communities have developed traditional ways of life adapted to the Arctic environment, relying on activities such as hunting, fishing, and reindeer herding. Global climate influence. The Arctic plays a crucial role in the Earth's climate system. The region influences global weather patterns and ocean currents. Changes in the Arctic climate, such as melting sea ice, can have far-reaching effects on sea levels, weather systems, and the Earth's overall climate. Natural resources. The Arctic region is rich in natural resources, including oil, natural gas, minerals, and fish. As climate change has led to reduced ice cover, there has been increased interest in exploiting these resources, leading to environmental concerns and geopolitical tensions. Global warming and climate change. The Arctic is particularly vulnerable to climate change, experiencing more rapid warming than many other parts of the world. The melting of Arctic sea ice and glaciers contributes to rising sea levels and has global implications for climate patterns. Scientific research. The Arctic Circle is a focus of scientific research related to climate change, glaciology, marine biology, and other fields. Researchers study the region to understand environmental changes and their potential impacts on the planet. International cooperation. Due to the shared interests and challenges in the Arctic, countries with territories within the Arctic Circle engage in international cooperation through organizations such as the Arctic Council. The Arctic Council promotes collaboration on environmental protection, sustainable development, and scientific research. In summary, the Arctic Circle is a significant geographical and climatic feature with ecological, cultural, and geopolitical importance. As the region undergoes changes due to climate shifts, it becomes a focal point for global discussions on environmental conservation, resource management, and the consequences of climate change.